Angelina Jolie in Maleficent then, you know, when she's like, well, well. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope that you're all doing well. Hope you all didn't miss me too much. I have been in Hawaii for the last couple of weeks. Well, it's just under a couple of weeks that I was gone for. This was my favorite trip of all time. I honestly had the most amazing time. We did go to Hawaii last year as well, but we went to Maui last year, and then this year we went to Oahu. I hope I can say that right. It has kind of become a tradition for us both to go away at this time of year, because February, March time is kind of known for being the coldest time of year in Calgary. So a lot of people in the city do kind of escape the city at this time of year. This is when everyone's taking their trips in Calgary, or at least I think it is. It seems like everyone is out of town at the moment. And yeah, it was kind of nice to just escape the cold for a while. So for today's video, I thought I would do something just very chill, very vlog style. I thought I would do a spring try on clothing haul. I am really excited about this video, you guys, because I'm actually achieving a goal today. So one of my goals for this year was to work with Princess Polly. I love Princess Polly so much, you guys. This is a little bit of a spooky story. I was at my friend Jess's house and we were talking about Princess Polly and how much we love it, and she said that she'd done a big order from them, and then I said I would love to work with Princess Polly. They're one of those brands that I just really want to work with, and then lo and behold, 2 days later they emailed me and wanted to work with me. I threw it out into the universe and then it came back to me. So before I do get into the video, I will just let you guys know that everything I'm going to be trying on today, I will link down below in the description box. I will have a discount code with Princess Polly. It's Belle. I will also put it on the screen here for you, and also down below in the description box. If any of you guys are based in the US, you will get free express 2-day shipping when you spend over $50, and they do also offer Afterpay as well. I love Afterpay so much, it is the best. So first thing that I'm going to talk about is this cardigan. I'm so obsessed with this. It goes with literally everything. I'm not gonna lie, I've never really been much of a cardigan person, and I have 2 cardigans to show you in this haul today. I'm pretty sure that I just got my regular size in this cardigan, but I feel like if you were to get oversized or really oversized, that would look really cute as well. So yeah, just obsessed with this. I'm going to be wearing this a heck of a lot during the spring. I think what I'm going to do is do tops first, and then I will do the trousers and jeans that I got, and then I will do jackets last. If you guys know me and if you guys watch my videos quite a lot, you will know that I'm very partial to an oversized tee. I've collected them through the years. I have a ton of vintage t-shirts and I just love adding more to my collection. So I saw this one on the website and I just thought that this was really cute. It's this dark charcoal grey colour, and then the print is in this really pretty jade green. I don't wear a lot of colour, but I do like colourful prints on t-shirts and stuff. I just thought that this would be perfect for the spring. It's actually long enough that I could wear this as a t-shirt dress. I will probably still wear bicycle shorts underneath it, but it is long enough to get away with as a dress. And I was thinking that this would look really cute with some white ankle socks and some white Air Force Ones. Just a very easy go-to outfit. This is the second cardigan that I mentioned to you guys. As I said, I did get 2 cardigans in this haul, but this one is a tight fitting cardigan. I really love this look at the moment, especially when you have like the top 2 buttons open and then the bottom 2 buttons open, and then just wear it as a crop top. I think that that's a very cute look for spring, especially with loads of gold jewelry, maybe some curled hair, you know, it's gonna look very sassy, very nice. I did size up in this. I got a medium, which is a 6 US. The reason I sized up is because of my boobies, so I thought that I would get a bigger size, just because I didn't want that, you know, when you like have something buttoned up when you have bigger boobies and it's just like you get those holes. I didn't want that to happen, so that's why I sized up in the cardigan. I got this basic white cropped t-shirt. In my opinion, you can literally never ever have too many white t-shirts, cropped t-shirts, white vests, just white basic items. I do have a couple of cropped white t-shirts in my wardrobe already, but I tend to wear them a lot. I like simple clothing, but I really like to layer my clothing. I really love Princess Polly basics, you guys, because the material is very thick. The quality is always incredible. It's always just like very thick and very soft. You also get this little white bodysuit with this kind of knot front detail. I just thought that this was adorable. I really liked the detail on the front. There's not really much I can say about this. It's just a really pretty basic white bodysuit, and I got this in a US size 2, which is a UK 6. Most of my clothing is a UK 6 unless I size up in something. So I will let you know if I've oversized in anything like I did with the black cardigan. I do also love the fact that this has an adjustable strap to it as well. I am really petite, you guys. I'm just over 5 foot, and the amount of times I have bought bodysuits and the straps are way too big for me, so this is absolutely perfect. I really love it when brands think of these like little details, you know. Trousers. I got a couple of pairs of trousers. So I got these. How cute are these? I love this style of trousers. I think that they are so flattering. They make your booty look amazing. I have already tried these on and they look so good. I'm very excited to wear these, especially with my little cropped white t-shirt. I feel like they'll actually look really nice with that white bodysuit as well. I am so obsessed with these jeans. I think to the point where I'm going to order more pairs of these jeans because they are genius. I really didn't mean to make a pun there, it just kind of sprung to me. However, the design of these jeans is genius. So these are the Isabel jeans. The reason why I was so attracted to these jeans is the back of the jeans. They have this kind of stretchy ruching. Is it ruching? Here, I don't really know how to describe this. So it just really pulls in the waistband. However, the front of the jeans look normal. So it's almost these jeans actually reminded me a lot of, you know, I'm sure you guys have seen that TikTok hack with the shoelace where they pull the jeans tight at the back and then tie them. I was going to try that trick, I hadn't got around to it yet. However, I saw these jeans and I just thought that this was literally genius. I'm not going to make that pun again, okay? Why doesn't every single pair of jeans ever have this on the back? Because as you guys can see, when you stretch it out, they're like a normal fit, but they just have that ruching in there for people who do have little waists, and it's just, oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I've finally found some jeans that actually fit my body type. They're so flattering, and I feel like I haven't tried these on with a belt just yet, but I feel like with a belt as well.
Oh girl, my waist is gonna be looking snatched.
So the last couple of things that I have to show you guys are some jackets. This is the first jacket here. This is a beige denim jacket. There's not really much else I can say about it, but I did get this oversized. I just really like the color of this. I really love these kind of stone, camel, minky kind of colors for spring. I think it's a nice way to put color into your wardrobe if you're not a colorful person. Just a nice way of mixing it up if you are a neutrals kind of girl, you know. Just to let you guys know, I did size up in this jacket. So usually I am a 2, but I did size up to a 12, so I went really oversized with this. I really love that oversized denim jacket look, especially with little kind of cute tight spring dresses. I feel like that's a nice look. And then I did also get another beige jacket as well, and this one is more of a corduroy material. I honestly just don't have any beige jackets in my wardrobe, so I thought I would get both of them, and I think that they are both cute, both different in their own way, and both going to be gorgeous during springtime. So yeah, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. As I said, I will list everything down below in the description box. I will also pop my code back on the screen here for you. It is Belle, and that will save you 20%. And yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one.